Let's discuss significant figure and the equipment that you use, which is primarily 6 types of materials: 2 graduated cylinders, 2 beakers, a balance, and a ruler. Looking at how you record your measurements on each of those, let's first consider the 10 mil graduated cylinder. Record all values to the first decimal place. In this example, if you look across, you'll see it's about 9.4 milliliters. That would be what you need to record. 9 milliliters or 9.40 milliliters are both incorrect. Remember, first decimal place for the 10 mil graduated cylinder, and the same is true of the larger graduated cylinder. In this case, the bottom of the meniscus reads 13.7 milliliters, so that's what you would record, not 14, not 13, not 13.70, which would all be correct. Remember, first decimal place only with the 25 mil graduated cylinder. Next to the 250 milliliter beaker, which can only be good to the tens place. So for the following measurement, you record that 120. Anything with a digit in the ones place other than a non-significant 0 would be incorrect. Again, with a 250 milliliter beaker, the last significant figure has to be in the tens place. In contrast, the 10 milliliter beaker reports to the ones place. In this example, if one reads across the bottom of the meniscus, you might see a number that looks like 46. That would be recorded as 46 milliliters. It would not be recorded as 40. It would not be recorded as 50. The last significant figure must be in the ones place with the 100 milliliter beaker. Next, let's consider the digital balance, which, like all digital equipment, is very easy to read because you merely record every digit that you see. Even if it ends in a 0, you record it. In this particular case, that Sharpie pen weighs 9.4 grams. Finally, to the ruler. Always make your measurements in centimeters rather than inches unless told otherwise, and record to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. For the example, let's say you're recording the length of the following line. You would record that as 13.7 centimeters, given your line crosses the ruler closest to the 13.7 centimeter mark.